bergin yol izleyenlerge, sefirge ak yol tilen. Pul bergin pak mihrin bilen, yükseklerge ketsin ürler.
Assalamu alaikum. Ben kutumluk terbiyeleş kursuga atayın Şivşehir'e geldim. Uzanın ki 5 günlük işimi taşlap geldim ama kelgenge layık cık netice aldım. Bu dersin sözügen bidakarlama, Mark, Grey, Kayserkamlı uzak yerden kilip ders yüzlep verdi. Çıkkay biz dersine tor düğünüş jarayonida 50% özleşken olsa hazır bu 2 kunlikte bir takım toluqlanıp da 100% yetti deb o'ylayman. Benim narsam yo'q. Ush kursni o'rnashtirgan bütün qarindoshlarga keng ko'ngilli rahmat deyman.
Assalomu alaykum ko'pchilik. Men shu Uyg'ur xalq taraqqiyot fondininki darslariga qatnashgandan keyin nihoyatda o'zimda bir xil yengillik, yangi bir umid, yangi tug'ilgandek bir his tuyg'uda bo'ldim. Burun har xil o'zim o'qimaganlik uchun o'zimninki orzu g'oyalarimni yo'qotib qo'yib, xuddi bir hayotni yashab bo'lgandek, endi hayot tugandek bir his tuyg'uda edim. Hozir yenidan men shu orzu g'oyalarimni eslab qaytadan bir planlıq şekilde qanday ilgirlab, qaysi şekilde o'zimninki shu armonlarga yetirganligini qaytadan esib yetdim. Men bundan burun bir necha xil kurslarga qatnashgan, darslarni olgan, lekin shu dars men uchun nihoyat ahamiyatli, nihoyat xo'shallik, qimmatli bir dars bo'ldi. Men bizga dars o'tgan barliq ustozlarga ko'pdan-ko'p rahmat aytaman.
Assalomu alaykum. Men bu qatimliq shu Uyg'ur xalq taraqqiyot fondinining darsiga qatnashib, tijorat plan tuzish olsun, tijoratda bir plan hozirlab, shuni qarab izchil davomlashtirish to'g'riliq. Bundan burun tijorat qilib va o'ylab topmagan nurg'un inchki nuqtaning boylikini bildim. Men bu 2 kunlik faoliyatniki birinchi kun qatnashamay, ikkinchi kuniga to'liq qatnashdim. Men bundan hali obdan foyda oldim. Shunga shu faoliyatni o'rinlashtirgan qarindoshlarimizdan ham shu mushakkil dars o'tib bergan shu ustozlardan hammasidan Allah razı olsun, hammasiga rahmat aytaman.
Assalomu alaykum. Men Abdullah Hoji Qashqari. Men bu kursda qatnashgandan beri bu kursniki menga meni tijaratimga bo'lgan yardım intayin ko'p bo'ldi. Men bu kurs qatnashgandan keyin tijoratda o'ylab topmagan ko'p tajribalarga, bilimlarga ega bo'ldim. Bilim tajribamni, tijorat tajribamni texnik yükseltdi. Bo'lib, mana shu 2 kundagi 100 tarani dars menga texnik kuch qo'shdi. Ko'p bilimlarni o'rgatdi. Ko'p bilimlarni o'rganishdan birga men 2 kunda ustozlardan intayin ta'sirlandim. Darslarni, tijorat darslarini o'rgatish uchun ustozlar shuncha uzoqlardan o'ylab toplab ketdi. O'sha ekran oldida ularga chin ko'nglimdan rahmat aytaman.
Don't forget who you are.
O'zinglarning kimligini unutmanglar.
Don't forget where you came from.
O'zinglarning qayerdan kelganligingizni unutmanglar.
Don't forget Allah.
Allohni unutmanglar.
So don't give up.
Herkes vazgeçmanglar.
Don't lose hope.
Ümitsizlanmanglar.
We stand with you.
Sizlar bilan turamiz.
We're here with you.
Yani sizlar bilan birga.
And we pray God's blessing on each one of your businesses.
Fail to plan is planning to fail. Şuna bizim prensipimizden birisi yaxshi plan veriladi. Plan qilinadi ishni. Biz nima uchun bunday to'g'ri tayyorlanish deganda, sizlarga ayrim yordam qilishimizni, yana sizlarning o'zlaringiz tungi professionallarni rivoj tepishiga qo'llashinglarni, professional abay dedim bo'ladi. Professionallarni tushunib beradi. Professionallar tan olishni, mana shunday bir aktiv ijobiy muhitni shakllantirishni umid qilamiz.
Ben do'stim bilan doktor Qaysar Müzit'ten boshqasidan voqea fikr yigirma sorunlar ekranida qizil ta'riflayman. Chunki building biznes analiz biznes bu faqat texnika bilim bilan bo'ladi. Buni boshqasi biz yaxshilar.
Qonunlar tashishlarni o'zingizga kuchli bayqishlarni bilan shuni bilan birlikda minnatdorlik yo'q odam, xarakter yo'q odam bo'ldi. Aman her zaman işinle yaxshi bo'lgan vaqtda kelinglar odamlarning bog'lig'ini, sizlarning mushkul kelgan odam bitirishlarda rol o'ynagan, Mark o'xshash, Armanjonga o'xshash, Lucy Shagidaga o'xshash, o'zingizning Abdulmuhtarga o'xshash odamlarning bog'lig'ini o'ylab qo'yishinglarni o'rgatman. Meni o'ylim sog'lom bo'ldi, rahmat sizlarga.
Hi, my name is Greg. My Uyghur name is Armanjan. and recently I was one of the business coaches on the YÜKSEL business training course here in Istanbul. I'm also one of the trustees and founders of Empower Communities Charitable Trust, and it's such a privilege to be able to run these courses here with these Uyghur businessmen and women. One of our desires as an organisation is to bring hope to the Uyghur people, and it's great to be able to do this through business, and we see it happening. One of our initial goals with this YÜKSEL business training course was to see people have a clear business plan, understand their numbers, and to inspire confidence and hope that as they step out in the goals that they've set, that they can do it. That there is hope for a better future for them, for their families, for their children. And so very privileged to be able to journey along so many wonderful people. And this training course was more than we could have imagined. It was better than expected. So many wonderful people, so many wonderful plans, so many wonderful ideas, and we were encouraged and inspired by stories of courage, stories of hope, and just many wonderful people that we are confident that as they step out in the plans that they set with us, they will achieve their goals. And so we pray for God's blessing upon these businesses. We pray that they would be successful, they would know hope in their hearts, that they would step forward and all that they have dreamed would come to pass. And we are privileged to be on the journey with them. Thank you.
Ben Bizangul Muhammed, ben ۇيغۇر خەلق تەرەققىيات فوندىنىڭ قۇرغۇچىلىرىنىڭ بىرى. Bizning bu fondimiz 2021 yılı 8. ayda resmi emriyini kurulan bulup, hazırlıca mana 3 yılını açtı. Bizimki en mühim projektimizin birisi Uyghur yüksel ticaret terakkiyat türü. Bu türünü biz şu fondunu yolu koygandan başlap yolu koyup kevatimiz hazırlıca 3 karar yolu koyduk. Bizimki bu türümüzün hem Xalq teraqqiyat fondumuzun asas maksidi Uyghurlarga ümit berişler. Ondan başka bizim prensiplerimiz bilik tutuşunu öğretiş. Yani bilik beriş emas, balki bilik tutuşunu öğretiş. Yani biriga har qanday ishni qilishda boshda yaxshi planlash. Chunki yaxshi plan yerim qaldi. Mana shu ikki prinsiplarni biz projektimizni yo'lga qo'yapmiz. Bizniki Uyg'ur yüksel ticaret teraqqiyot turida asosiy ticaret planini tuzish va qamchot planini tuzishni qatnashchilarga o'rgatamiz. Bu yerda bizning tijorat yetakchilarimiz bor. Tijorat yetakchilari bilan qatnashchilar o'rtasida tarjimonlik berilgan o'zimizning Uyg'ur qarindoshlar bor. Hozirgacha bu turimizni 3 qaror yo'lga qo'ydik. Birinchi qarorda 4 qarindoshimizga, Uyg'ur qarindoshimizga ayrim-ayrim holda bir tijorat yetakchilikka qilgan bo'ldik. Ammo ehtiyojning kuchayishiga ergishib, ikkinchi qarorda 3 qarindoshimizga bir tijorat yetakchilik qilgan bo'lsak, yana bir guruh qurib 8 qarindoshimizga tijorat yetakchilik qildik. Undan keyin 3-chi qaror kelganda bu ehtiyoj texnik kuchayib ketdi. Shuning bilan biz bu ehtiyojga qarata o'zimizning turining qurilmasidan tanlash olib berib, guruh shaklida tijorat planini o'rgatish, qamchot planini tuzishni o'rgatishni yo'lga qo'ydik. 3-chi qarorda 35 qarindoshimizga turimizdan manfaat yetkazdik. Nihoyatda muvaffaqiyatli bo'ldik. Bundan keyin turimizni endi shu asosan shu qurilmada yo'lga qo'yishni planlayapmiz. 4-chi qaror, 5-chi qaror va undan keyingi qarorlarni xalqimizga manfaatlashiga sunamiz.
Hi, my name is Mark, and I was one of the business coaches at the YÜKSEL business training course that just finished last week here in Istanbul. We had 25 to 30 young Uyghur entrepreneurs join the course. Actually, some were young, some were not young, some were experienced, some were not experienced. I have to say it was a privilege to be part of that business coaching team and to interact with the students. They impressed me. I was surprised in a very surprised doesn't sound right. I was impressed. I was encouraged by what I saw. I saw people who have a passion for succeeding, a passion for their dreams, and in a place like this that is not easy to do business, I see success. I saw people who have overcome incredible barriers and are proceeding and are going to make it. The course itself, in my opinion, was great. It was an in-depth look at business startup and business analysis, and it gave the participants several tools to work with to improve their chances of success. Business is not easy. Doing it alone makes it incredibly difficult. This course gave an opportunity for people to come together and encourage one another and cheer for one another and sharpen each other as well. The business coaching team was made up of professionals from around the world. This past week was the culmination of the 8-week training course. Face-to-face for 2 full days, and then on Saturday we had a great celebration, recognizing the accomplishments of many of the students. It was a time to reflect and a time to celebrate. And I just want to thank the organizers of the training course and look forward to continuing relationships with many of these students. As a business coach, I expect to get questions, expect to get asked my opinion on certain things, and I want to be there to celebrate and encourage these participants as they step out now. Now the course is done, the training's done, the theoretical is done. Now it's time to get real, and I look forward to seeing what happens. I pray God's blessing on each of the participants, and may their future be bright, and may they feel part of a team, part of a group.